Good afternoon, fellow IT colleagues. Welcome to our new office. How do you find the new office environment? Good. Today, I would like to take this opportunity to give all of you a post-implementation update on our audio-visual project. Do you recognize this building here?
No.
This building was the state 16 months ago. You should recognize this building now.
Yes.
And this is where we are right now, in level 4 of this building. The agenda that I have for everyone today is I'll describe the project phases of this AV project, how much the project costs, and I'd like to take this opportunity to recognize 2 people who have made significant contributions to this project. The project was initiated when there was this direction from corporate headquarters in the US to build a regional headquarters in Singapore for the Asia Pacific region. Once we received this news, we quickly formed a project team and identified all the project team members. And these project team members initiated a user requirements exercise to find out all the AV requirements for all our meeting rooms in Singapore. After that, all these requirements were communicated to the HQ in US, and our AV engineer went for a business trip to meet up with our counterparts in the US. After the design was completed, the list of equipment was being generated, and from there we came up with a equipment list and invited 3 vendors to make a proposal to us. After evaluating the proposals, we went to place the order with the vendor with the lowest quote as well as able to meet our requirements. And when the equipment was delivered, we started installation and tested the entire AV project. The entire project took 22 months to complete. It was completed on time, within budget, and met all the user requirements. During the installation of a meeting room, initially all the ceiling over here were uncovered. During this stage, we installed all the cabling works, the lighting, the power points on top of the ceiling. And these power points are for the projector and for this motorized screen, so that when we press the button, the motorized screen will come down. After installation, we covered up the ceiling with this ceiling box as well as to install the lighting. And this is how the cabling is being run. The green portion here signifies the cabling from the projector to the laptop. We run 2 sets of cabling, one from the front of the room and one from the rear of the room, for redundancy purposes. In case the first cabling is faulty, we will still be able to use the second cabling to project our laptop contents to the screen. Eventually, this is how our meeting room look like. And today we have 10 rooms in this entire building. The initial project cost was allocated a budget of $500,000 US. 6 months down the road, due to economic conditions, we were asked to reduce the project cost by 10%, which is $50,000. When that happened, with the help of our purchaser, she went to negotiate a better price with the vendor, and she successfully negotiated a 50% discount for the project. And our AV engineer took the extra initiative to reduce the project cost further by reusing the existing equipment from our old building. That helped to reduce the project cost by $25,000. And we paid $5,000 for relocating the old equipment in our old office to this new office. And the final project cost was $430,000, which was still $20,000 below our budget. And I'd like to take this opportunity to thank two persons. The first person is our AV engineer. He is none other than Kim Singh. Kim Singh showed a lot of commitment in this project. He made regular midnight calls with the US to come up with the design. And during the installation phase, he went to the construction site to ensure that the work was being carried out in order and the quality of our requirements are being met. And when the budget cut was announced, Kim Singh also took the initiative to identify those equipment that can be reused so that it will help to bring down the project cost. The second person that I need to recognize is Siu Mi. Siu Mi, although she's not from our IT department, she comes from the purchasing department. She has helped us a lot in this project. When the budget cut was announced, she used her negotiation skills very effectively and gave pressure on the vendor to reduce the price in order to beat the project budget. And after placing the order, Siu Mi was very proactive. The AV vendor was very afraid to receive Siu Mi's phone call. Whenever they hear Siu Mi's phone call, they will always say, Siu Mi, we are already expediting for the delivery. I promise you to deliver as soon as possible. So with this, the equipment delivered 3 weeks ahead of schedule, and it got installed and completed on time. But besides Kim Singh and Siu Mi, I also need to thank everyone in this IT department who has in one way contributed to the success of this project. Thank you very much.